Alright, so it is Sumfest 2019. I know me there with the general name IWaata. How was the performance?
Yeah man, pleased with my performance. First time I Reggae Sumfest, I don't know the reception from the crowd. Like it. You see it? People are real, people are bust blank, people broke out in a laugh. Great experience for the first time and it won't be my last time, I tell you.
Yeah. So what kind of advice did they get? I'm sure it's the people, I'm sure it's the Aidonia and whosoever else reach out and say, yo, deal with the stage a certain way. What was the best advice you get?
Best advice, keep my composure, delivery, and do what I know for do.
Yeah.
That my team tell me, you know the thing, go Jet Live settings, teamwork make the dream work, though.
Yeah, anything to throw you off on stage the way they say, oh, but you catch it back any moment like that?
No moment like that. I love every moment tight. No slip up, no miss.
Alright, see that? Talk to us about your hit single now that's running the place.
You don't know me, I have a thing named Cut Off Jeans, my lifestyle.
Yes,
The world know it, man. So me roll out in a me cut off jeans. Girls see me, you not scream when me touch my bean, I man, I drop the video today, so you can subscribe to the Vivo page, IWaata Vivo.
Vivo page lock and everything already?
Yeah.
Okay. Are you any bit like kind of nervous of one to say, yo, you have a hit song right now, if you ever can find the next one, and then the next one, and then the next one, kind of like how a governor kind of set it now?
No nervousness, man. Non-stop hits, lava settings. Confident in myself with Father God and my team. No nervousness, no time.
Okay.
Right there, sir.
Alright, so if a girl right now wants to reach out to you, can she just do that now, or you think kind of cover?
No man, music me I do, man.
You see if a couple interview, no, but you know, say your first year, the first year is where you get the most vagina. And so it said. Your first year, you have it free enough for even do nothing.
Well, me as a man take my music serious. You see this?
Yeah.
Me this.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Alright, so the same thing now, we're going to put you up on the spot now. Some more if you don't know, is 5 Jamaican artists with names start with C. See if I can find this now. C.
Chronics.
Alright.
Christopher Martin.
Yeah. You forget the fireman? Whoa.
Caputan.
Yes. 2 more. G's on him C.
Cutty. Yeah.
What?
Cutty.
Alright, yeah. 1 more.
Caputan too.
We said Caputan already. Well, we're going to give it. We're going to give a pass. Alright, we give a pass. Alright, so tell the people them where them can find you. Anything so you want your fans them to know.
Alright, they don't know the thing. I'm not similar person to sing Waata. Crash your boss at all. I say big up my team, General Jet Live, Boys the Axe, Intense, Aidonia, Governor. You don't know the movements go. You can find me on Instagram, IWaata Jet Live. Subscribe to the Vivo page, IWaata Vivo. Yeah, tune in, non-stop hits. You know the thing, non-stop work.
Alright, bless.